Hi guys, so today I created this blue smoked simple eyeliner. Trust me you guys, it's super easy, nothing crazy. I just played with the blue color on my lower lash line and made a wing and smoked it out. That is it. So if you want to know how I did this look, you gotta keep watching, babies. Also, I went dark and colored my hair dark brown. Ever since I colored my hair, everything looks so dark because I am regretting it. So you guys better tell me this hair color looks good on me so I don't cry a river. Now let's create this beautiful look together. I've already prepared my face to make this video super short, so starting off with my favorite foundation from Charlotte Tilbury. This is the most super light foundation. If you've been thinking on which foundation to buy, then this is your sign to get the Charlotte Tilbury one. Even though it's a full coverage, it just doesn't feel too heavy on your skin. I'm gonna use this newly released concealer from Urban Decay. They have given this concealer a freakiest name ever, and the name is Stay Naked Quickie Concealer. This is another full coverage concealer that I've been obsessing over, and it stays super long. It's been long that I haven't used Rare Beauty blush, so it's time. I'm using liquid blush in shade Lucky. Look at that pigment, you guys. For the cream bronzer, I'm just using Manila from Nude Stakes. I should have applied this before using a blush, but doesn't matter because it blends so easily. Using brightening pink under eye powder from Jaclyn Cosmetics. I just love how it instantly brightens up your under eye. For the highlighter, I'm using this Chroma highlighter from Shein Beauty. Just have that monochromatic holographic kind of effect, so it feels like you're using all the different kind of highlighter. I'm using Jared Cosmetics Black Canvas eyeshadow base in shade Fair. And for the eyeshadow, you guys, I'm gonna be using this eyeshadow right here, which came in my January Ipsy box. The eyeshadow is from Winky Luxe and it has neutral colors in it. First, I'm gonna go use this shade called Brulee all over my lid. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use this shade called Nutmeg all over my lid again. Now for the eyeliner, you guys, I'm gonna be using my favorite from Bare Minerals, and this is the shade Sapphire. This is literally the best blue ever, most pigmented. Now with the help of angle brush, I'm gonna take out a small wing. Now I'm slowly bringing it inward to my upper lash line. Now I'm gonna add this blue from Be Perfect Cosmetics Interstellar palette right on top of the liner to intensify the color a little more. Now I'm blending in everything together and smoking it out a little bit with the smallest blending brush. Look at that difference. Now I'm gonna add this ocean blue shimmer here like that. Now I'm just adding this mascara from Too Faced. Now for the lashes, today I'm gonna be using this from Velour in Style Dream Girl. Look at that, how fluffy she is. And this is how it looks with the lashes on. Look at that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add a lip liner from Colourpop Cosmetics as usual in shade BFF3. Now I'm gonna add another lip liner from the same brand in shade Oh Snap. Now I'm just adding this pressed powder from Jaclyn in shade Brightening Fair literally everywhere on my face. I feel like I should add a little bit something on the lips, so for that I'm going to be using this P. Louise Lip Pout in shade Semi Nude. Oh my god, look at that. I don't know why I never used it. It was just in the corner and look at that. I always felt like this was lip gloss, so I never used it. Formula is insane. And let me tell you, it is so comfortable. Now I need this in each and every shade. And that's it for the look. Now I'm gonna go do my hair and then be back. And that's it for the hair, you guys. I didn't do anything crazy. And also about the jewelry, look at that. Shout out to James for Soul by D for sending me over these cute pairs. I absolutely love it. The quality insane. And also go check her page out. I for sure know that you'll like something. Now it's time to rate this look from 1 to 10 in the comment section below.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say, yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? Let's go! Hey! Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody is right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life to be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level, they think that work is too stressful. I think that work is essential, the grind is all in your mental. And I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I have no questions. I had fun in every second and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate